Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Electrosites. Today we are going to see how you can create an LED light show of your home. In this video, I will try to explain all the hardware and software required to create the project in detail. So this video will be divided into three parts. In the first part, I will explain about the hardware and its connection. In the second part, I will explain in detail how the model works. And in the third part, I will discuss about the software, mainly the coding part. So let's get started. So first, we shall connect the sound sensor module with the Arduino. Let's see how I will make the connections. Follow my steps and be with me. So this is the D0 pin. So sound sensor module has 4 pins. D0 plus for power, G for ground, and A0 for the analog. Okay. So now we will connect the D0 pin with the 8th digital pin of the Arduino board. So this is the 8th digital pin. We will connect here. So connected. So now one connection is made. Now two are left. So this is the positive or the power. So this positive pin will connect with the power, that is the 5-volt pin of the Arduino board. So 5-volt pin, I have connected it. I will show it to you. See, this is the 5-volt pin. This is connected with the power of the sound sensor to give the sound sensor power for its working. Now we will connect the ground of the sound sensor module with the ground of the Arduino board. This is how it will be made. See, okay. Now this sound sensor module part is done. This sound sensor is connected well with this Arduino board. Now we will connect the Arduino board with the LEDs in the breadboard. Let's see how. So finally the hardware part is done. Now let us see how the model actually works. So here's a short explanation of how the model actually works. The whole model can be divided into three parts: the input, the processing, and the output. So now input, which is obtained from this sound sensor module, that is the LM393. There is a microphone present in the module. As you can see, this is the microphone. This is the microphone present in the LM393 sound sensor module. Now it has a sensitive diaphragm which vibrates according to the sound signal which it detects. So these signals are converted to electric signals by a coil oscillating in the magnetic field which is connected to the diaphragm of the microphone. These electric signals are then amplified. Now this amplification is done in this integrated circuit. As you can see, this black one, this small black rectangular, this one is the integrated circuit of this LM393 module, sound sensor module. Now these electric signals are actually amplified in this integrated circuit and they are then sent to the microcontroller. Now this microcontroller here is the Arduino. This is the microcontroller where the processing is done. Now what the Arduino does, now the Arduino microcontroller actually processes the signal which is obtained from this sound sensor as an input. Now by coding we actually set a threshold and map the sound signal to these LEDs which will blink according to the signal input, okay, from this sound sensor module. Now finally the LED starts blinking according to the sound which is obtained from this sound sensor module, okay. Now and we are able to see a spectacular LED show based on the music we play, okay. So this was the short explanation based on which we have made this model. So we're done with the hardware part. Now let us see the coding part. coding part is done, connect the USB cable to the Arduino board like this and place the sound sensor to the vicinity of any music producing source and see the magic.
कुछ खास था ये जान लेती जो मेरी नजर से देखा होता तुमने, इस बात का बस गम हुआ मुझको, थोड़ी सी भी कोशिश न की